How to add text highlight effects on Alight motion. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can add text highlights effect on Alight motion. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to open up your project where you have the text. So here I have this project and here I have some text here. Now to apply the text highlight effects, first of all we have to add a shape on our text. So tap on the plus icon at the bottom right, then select the rectangular shape. So once you're here, with the help of your finger you can drag this shape, increase its size, and make sure that this highlighted part is just above your text and it covers the area of your text on the first line. So once you highlight your text on the first line, navigate to the text or the shape on your timeline, tap on it. Once you see this menu, or once you see all of these options here, tap on blending and opacity, scroll down a bit, head over to difference, select the third option. Now you can see the text has been highlighted with this color here. If you want to decrease the opacity, with the help of the slider you could decrease it. Now once you're done with this, now to apply the effects or the highlight effects, tap on the shape again, head over to effects, tap on add effect, and now we have to add an effect. For that, head over to meet mask or key. Now from here select the wipe, and now you could select the second option that says transition, the third option that is transition in right. So tap on it. Now if you play it, you will have the highlight effect. Now once this highlight is applied to your first line, you can see there is a small white dot on your shape on the timeline. So drag it and place the vertical line on that white dot. Now you could crop this shape so that these highlights will work same on your second line of the text as well. Now once you're done with splitting your shape, to apply the same highlight effect on the second line, tap on the second part of your shape from the timeline, then drag it and place it just above the text in your second line. Now to apply the same effect, again tap on it, head over to the effect, tap on add effect, then head over to meet mask key, then tap on wipe, then again select the same options. And if you play your video from the beginning, you will have the text effect or the text highlight effect on your project. So in this way you can add text highlight effects and Alight motion. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.